Opinion actually is the bridge. Opinion actually is the bridge between knowledge and ignorance, superstition and reality, and obviously fact and fiction in one or another. And ironically, opinion is available everyone. From everyone, there is something that always comes out in one or another because everyone has something to say which is right, which is what they should do. They should speak their mind, they should express their opinions, thoughts, ideologies to the society, which is what liberal societies and obviously democratic states and countries must do to eventually be able to arrive at reliable solutions and authentic, lasting, permanent outcomes and basically resolutions to problems, conflicts, chaos, defiances, and unrests in one or another. Everyone essentially has their own opinions. Everyone has an opinion. Everyone has a perception, a morality which is either fundamentally or subtly different from each other's in one or another. But this differentiation, this basically similarity, is unmistakable, undeniable, unavoidable, anyways. And we must accept that everyone has something to say, and that means our opinion is neither the first nor the last. After we are dead, there will be different people who have their freedom of speech and expression and truthfulness, although these freedoms have been exploited and eliminated systematically by the different constructs of social media and capitalism and governments and organizations. And obviously, these have been replaced with stupidity, inauthenticity, untruthfulness, competition, pretense against each other in one way or another. But then again, opinion is necessary because it bridges the gap or becomes the medium between knowledge and ignorance in one or another. Without opinion, neither can we have knowledge nor can we improve our ignorance, nor can we learn from ignorance. But definitely, we must not persist in ignorance. We must not be dwelling in the fundamentally bad, dangerous, destructive qualities or characteristics in our lives. We must always be learning from them. We must always be trying to rectify and improve them in one or another by making the unconscious conscious, by integrating the shadow, by acknowledging, owning, and taking accountability for all the repressed content and shadow material in ourselves, and by also considering ourselves as evil, just as we consider and regard ourselves as being always good, authentic, critical, independent, and perfect in one or another. But that is quite delusional, stupid, ignorant, anyways, because we are mostly evil, greedy, avaricious for success, for possessions, wealth, riches, because we are neither content nor satisfied with anything we have.